Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Mystrika. Mystrika is an email marketing software and they are claiming that it's an alternative of Lamlist and Sales Handy. You can do cold email marketing by using this software. Also, they have warm up feature, so you can warm up your emails also by using this software. Now, as you can see, they're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo and one code pricing is 59 USD. Here you will get unlimited email addresses, 5,000 uploaded contacts for cold email outreach, and this deal is not stackable. And they are saying that they have warming up tool. Of course, we have. So I think the software has the cold email marketing ability. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Mystrika and let's explore how things work there and how it can be helpful for us. So guys, this is the dashboard of Mystrika, and at first you will see here the warm up feature at home. Previously, I have added one of my email for warming up, and as you can see, it's now active. If you want, you can deactivate it and you can activate it in this way and see total number of email they have sent to 12 and received email is 25, reply is 6 and success rate is 100% they are saying. And if I show you this email, see this is the email flolu@gmail.com, and if I open this email, as you can see, here is the email. As you can see, this is flolu@gmail.com. Now here they have sent these emails. As you can see, these are the emails that they have sent basically, and in every email there have one message and another reply. As you can see, this is one reply. So in this way they will send the warm-up message basically, and it will automatically reply from your email. So these are the things. As you can see, these are the emails, and these emails they have sent for warming up purpose. And you have to add your email. Just click on this add email ID, and here add your name, email address and account type. You can add here Gmail and G Suite, and then what you have to do, there have the step-by-step instruction. You have to follow this instruction, and then you can add your email very easily on this software for warm up purpose. Hope you get idea guys how this warm up will work inside this Mystrika software. After that, they have campaign, and here you can run your cold email marketing campaign. And as you can see, I have already tested one campaign 11 minutes ago. Here to set up the campaign, what you have to do, at first you have to click on this add new campaign. You have to here insert your campaign name, target audience. As you can see, you have to target your audience, and then you have to target your location, and then here if you have any external webhook URL you can add, but it's not mandatory. And then just click here on this save, and then it will ask you for the sequence email. As you can see, I have here given some sequence email. So guys, here this is step 1, and here you can add your subject, you can add your body, and here have all types of formatting feature. You can bold the text, you can italic it, you can underline here, you can here set up different alignment, you can add here table, image, etc. And this is step 1. And then see, there have wait for 1 day. You can change these things. Let's wait for 3 days, and then it will send the step 2 email, and here is my step 2 email, and then it will wait for 2 days, and then it will send the step 3 email. So in this way you can add here as many steps as you want. Just click here and then here add your steps. And here see, there have one cold template. If I click on this cold template, then you will get this email template basically, and there have 600 plus templates. You can use these templates. As you can see, they have 600 plus email template, so you can use these templates for your cold email marketing. And if you want to delete any step, just click on this delete icon, it will be deleted. Then what you have to do, this is our email sequence, right? Then we have to upload our leads, and as you can see, if I go to this leads section, you can upload your leads by using CSV files in bulk way. Also, you can add your lead manually. Just click here on this lead section, and here add the name. Let's say the name is, let's say the name is this name, and let's say this is our email address. And then you can add additional attribute about this person also, and then just click on this add lead. This lead will be added here. See guys, this lead has been added here. In this way you can add your leads here, and this, see, this is one lead where they are saying that contacted. That means they have sent the email on this email address. And if I open this email address from here, this email I'm getting inside the spam section, and it can be my fault also, because here I haven't written the email copy in professional way. So I'm not sure whether it is my fault or this software's fault, but it can be my fault also because I haven't written this email copy in very professional way. That's why it can be my fault also. So see, this is the email, and in this way it will send the email to your audience basically. Hope you get idea. And how this email will be sent, that means from which email these emails will be sent. The emails that you will add here inside this warm up section, from this email your email will be sent to your audience. Hope you get idea guys. Now let me go to this campaign section again, and then if I go to edit campaign section again, we have explored our sequence. This is our email sequence, and we have explored our leads section. Now if I go to the setting section, here you can select from which email you want to send the email basically. That means from which email account you want to use to send the email. And in my case, I have only email account connected here. That's why I can select only one email account. But in your case, if you have multiple email address connected here, you can use anyone that you need basically. And then they have stop sending email on reply. You can stop sending email if the person reply to your email. You can activate it, you can deactivate it from here. And you can also open tracking, you can activate it, inactivate it also. Then have delivery optimization, you can activate it and deactivate it also. Now what this delivery optimization means, they're saying that send email as text only, no HTML, no hyperlink. So if you activate it, then they're saying that it will improve your deliverability and it will disable the tracking. So it will disable the tracking basically. Hope you get idea. And then there you can set up daily sending limit. You can increase or decrease this amount from here. You can set up daily maximum new leads from here, and you can schedule your sending day and time from here basically. Hope you get idea about this setting section guys, and then you have to save it. So these are the things that have inside this campaign section. Very easy to set up these campaigns. And then they have Unibox. Now if I go to this Unibox section, here you will see all the emails that has gotten reply. Here you can see all emails, you can see new emails, you can see replied emails, sent emails, you can see here interested emails, meeting scheduled email. So you can basically organize your emails from here. But the thing is, I have replied here. See, 2 minutes ago I have replied to this email, but this reply is not yet available here. Let me reload it. See guys, I have reloaded it, but this email is not yet available here, and they're saying that it's in beta mode. It can happen, I think, as they're saying that it's in beta mode. But see, this was the email, and for this email I have replied with this small text, but this reply is not yet available inside this Unibox section of this Mystrika. See, I have reloaded it, but still it's not available. And then they have a cold email template. If I click here on this cold email template, then it will redirect you to here, and as you can see here, you will get 600 plus cold email templates. And then they have the community. If I click on this community, here you will get this community, and as you can see on this community, there have a lot of members, so you can join to this community and then you can get help from them. Also they have support system, but the main functionalities here are these warm up feature. From this home section you have to add your email for warm up, and from this campaign section you have to run your campaign, you have to create your campaign, and in the Unibox section you can reply with your audience, you can contact with your audience, but still it's in beta mode. Hope you get idea guys about this Mystrika email marketing software. If you think you need this type of software for your email marketing campaign or for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this Mystrika lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this Mystrika lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Mystrika lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think guys this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks again guys for watching this video.